Have you ever found yourself driving down a long stretch of highway, the sun setting just beyond the horizon, casting a golden hue over everything, and you think, this is it? This is why I love road trips? There's something truly magical about hitting the open road, especially when you choose the scenic routes, those hidden gems that make the journey just as unforgettable as the destination. Today, let's take a journey through some breathtaking scenic routes that will leave you in awe. The kind that make you want to pull over, breathe in the fresh air, and soak in the beauty around you. Let's start with one of the most iconic drives in the United States, the Pacific Coast Highway, or PCH. Imagine driving along California's coastline, with the ocean on one side, waves crashing against the rugged cliffs, and lush green hills on the other. Big Sur, in particular, will have you stopping every few miles just to capture the view. And then there's the famous Bixby Creek Bridge. It's more than just a bridge. It's a view that will take your breath away. If you're lucky, you might even spot a whale spouting in the distance. It's a route that reminds you to slow down and appreciate the beauty of nature. Now, if you're looking for something different, let's hop over to the Blue Ridge Parkway. This drive is particularly stunning in the fall, when the leaves turn vibrant shades of red, orange, and gold. The parkway winds through the Appalachian Mountains, offering countless overlooks where you can stop and take in the rolling hills and valleys below. There's a certain peacefulness here, the crisp air, the rustling leaves, and the occasional chirp of a bird. It's a place to disconnect from the hustle and reconnect with nature. Don't forget to check out some of the hiking trails along the way. They lead to hidden waterfalls and panoramic vistas worth the effort. Speaking of hidden gems, let's talk about the scenic byways of Utah. The state is home to some of the most stunning national parks in the country, and the scenic drives connecting them are nothing short of spectacular. Take the route through Zion National Park, where towering red rock formations rise dramatically against the sky. The winding roads lead you through narrow canyons with views that look like they belong on a postcard. And then there's Arches National Park, where you'll see natural stone arches that make you feel like you've stepped into another world. It's a photographer's paradise. Let's shift gears and head north to the Cabot Trail in Nova Scotia, Canada. This drive showcases the beauty of coastal landscapes. As you wind along the cliffs, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, with its deep blue waters and rugged shorelines. In the summer, the wildflowers bloom in vibrant colors, and the fall foliage is simply stunning. And if you're a seafood lover, you're in for a treat. The fishing villages along the way serve up some of the freshest lobster and scallops. It's a route that combines stunning scenery with delicious local flavors. If you're craving a bit more adventure, let's explore the Icefields Parkway in Alberta, Canada. This route runs through the heart of the Canadian Rockies and is considered one of the most beautiful drives in the world. The road is flanked by towering mountains, glaciers, and pristine lakes that sparkle under the sun. Every turn reveals a breathtaking view, from the turquoise waters of Lake Louise to the majestic Athabasca Falls. And if you're lucky, you might spot elk, bears, or bighorn sheep along the way. Now let's not forget about Europe. The Amalfi Coast Drive in Italy is the perfect example of a scenic route. Picture this. You're driving along the cliffs, with the Mediterranean Sea below and charming villages perched on the hillsides. The colors are vibrant, the air is fragrant with lemon trees, and every curve offers a new, stunning view. It's a sensory overload in the best way. Finally, let's appreciate the beauty of the Great Ocean Road in Australia. This coastal drive is famous for its dramatic cliffs and the 12 Apostles, limestone stacks that rise from the ocean. As you drive, you'll encounter stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and charming seaside towns. It's a journey that celebrates the diversity of nature and the beauty of the Australian coastline. So, whether you're planning your next road trip or simply dreaming of future adventures, remember that the journey can be just as beautiful as the destination. Scenic routes offer a chance to escape the ordinary and immerse yourself in the extraordinary. Grab your camera, hit the road, and let the breathtaking views take your breath away. You won't regret it.